Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz and today we are back with another basic, simple, easy recipe. I know we guys are always tired of this breakfast hustle. So I'm giving you a very easy, ready to cook recipe for your breakfast. We will be actually modifying your normal breakfast Uttapam to a very classic, delightful Uthapam. Today I'll be gonna teach you a very nice and very special cheese and corn Uthapam. It will be a very basic recipe. This is just a concept that I'm sharing with you. Do try it and it will taste amazing. So let's go about and how to learn this super easy variation of your just a regular Uthapam in just a few steps. Let's go and let's learn. To begin with, any nice fresh quality idli or dosa batter which will be available in any of your nearest supermarket or a grocery store or any nearby medical store. It is easily available. One large dosa pan, nice and hot. Then I'm adding a knob of butter just to grease the pan a little. You can wipe this butter off with tissue or any cloth, but I am putting it along. You can also put it over the butter. Allowing it to cook, patting it little from the top, and we will allow it to cook nicely. Once you start to see the bubbles, that is the right time to add the grated processed cheese or mozzarella cheese, whichever you prefer, adding the American corn kernel from the top as per your requirement. The more you like, the more you can add. Now adding paneer crumbs from the top. This will enhance the flavor and make the product more and more richer. Just patting it from the top so that all our toppings get nicely settled inside this Uttapam. Now time for a little flip. You have to make sure you have to be very careful while you flip your Uttapam. Adding a knob of butter from the top, keeping the moisture alive, keeping the Uttapam moist from all the ends and allowing the stuffing to cook nicely, caramelize properly, get that nice cooked flavor is very important. Now time for the final plating. To take it out on the plate, put the plate on the top, flip it nicely and it is ready on the plate. If your pan was not greased properly, there are chances that your Uthapam
incredible
might get
you
stuck.
can see here.
And if you don't like
nice,
the flavor of
cheesy.
caramelized cheese,
you can put mozzarella cheese as
cook
well.
this
If you
from
have
one side and it
your
will
children
be
like
amazing to
cheese,
go.
it will give you that nice trans like pizza topping. And this is incredible because ready-made Uttapam, dosa, idli batter is available everywhere, so no point making that home because you can easily get that and it stays fresh for 7 days in your refrigerator. So what we thought to create a modification recipe for you, and this recipe is full of cheese, corn, nutrients, add value to your Uttapam, and it tastes incredible with any coconut chutney, sambar or ketchup. You can see I'm gonna take my first bite of this cheese and corn Uthapam. This is incredible. I'm gonna make 3 more for myself and 1 for my wife. Incredible. For more such unique and interesting ideas and recipe like this, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes like this. Back to enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh!